Nepal and India both are deeply connected with their religion, culture, language, food habit, and interest. Both the countries share more than 1,700 kilometers. In India, 5 states are there who share the border with Nepal. Many students from Nepal they come to India due to different educational courses. Since there are many relations with Nepal and India, External Affairs Department of India allow many students from Nepal to come India for education through different scholarship scheme and many other scheme. In today's video, I'll give you the informations regarding the scheme through which students from Nepal can come to India through the External Affairs Department scheme for doing MBBS and BDS course. Student in Nepal, there are many government colleges are also there, but still the student come to India. Many students who don't get admissions in India in the government college, they come to India because here they get the seat if their NEET score is little low also. There are many students who prefer Indian college because of the quality, standard of educations and further study scope. In this video, I'll give you the complete informations regarding the details of this scheme which is for the students of Nepal for admissions in MBBS in India through the External Affairs Department in India. Before starting the informations, first I want to make you clear two things. First, if you want to take admissions in India for MBBS and BDS, it is compulsory to appear NEET exam. NEET exam happen once in a year, conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. In this year, it will happen on the first week of May. That is the first thing. And second thing, the students who want to take admission in India from Nepal through the External Affairs Department, they don't have to appear any counseling process which conduct by different counseling authority. They have to do the applications through the Indian Embassy. I'll give you the complete information how it is. See, this is the website of Indian Embassy in Kathmandu. Here you will go to the education and scholarship. See, this is the place where you will be getting complete information. Here you come to the scholarship part. Once you click in the scholarship part, then you will see all the courses, okay, which scholarships is there, self-finance scheme is there. Scholarship means where Indian government give some financial aid to the student for doing that course. Another, this is, see, this all are the different scheme. Here scholarship scheme is there. See, golden jubilee scholar, the many scholarship scheme is there, but here you can see another thing is there, self finance scheme, SFS, which is mentioned medical. SFS means that you will be getting the seat but you will not get any scholarship. You have to do the study in your own expenditure. That is okay, but here see what is the process. Courses and tentative month of opening and the mode of opening. See here, two courses, as I told you, MBBS and BDS, both the course. Okay, tentative month of opening May and June. After the NEET result, you will get the applications in this website only. And method of opening, you can see offline. It is not an online process. It is completely an offline process. See, it is clearly mentions. It is an offline process. You have to go to the embassy and then you will have to apply there. Eligibility and how to apply document required, it is clearly mentioned here. Okay, the aggregate required 50% percentage, which is same in India also for different physics, chemistry and biology. NEET is compulsory. It is clearly mentioned NEET is compulsory, and different other document which is required. Here the all the entire list is there, which all things are required. See, okay, this is the thing. Uh, See, there are many countries, from many countries students come to India for doing different kind of courses, but particularly for Nepal there are many seats are there for MBBS admission in different colleges. I'll give you the list of colleges, government colleges where the seats are there, and approximate how much score is also required to get this government college. I'm talking about entirely in the government college. This scheme is how much score is also required to get the government college. That also you will get the idea now. See, this is the, you can see this is the Embassy of India, Kathmandu. They have publish this notice for that particular scheme here. See, it is clearly mentioned self-financing scheme of 2025-2026, which all course MBBS, BDS, BTech, BR, BPharm, all the courses. But here I am talking about particularly in MBBS and BDS courses. For MBBS and BDS course, you can see here it is clearly mentioned what is the eligibility. Applicant must have secured a minimum 50% aggregate marks, at least 50% in physics, chemistry, biology. This is all have mentioned. NEET is compulsory, like that it is mentioned. See, last date for submission on application for those scheme is 20th June 2025. Means in 2025 last date of submission was 20th June. Means after the result published, then you can also submit this application. This is the process. Next is how to apply. Here also see the process, which all documents is there. Okay, there here see in Indian Embassy website you will be getting the application. You have to do the proper proceeding as per the required details. Notary and all these things is there, which all document is required. It is mentions here. See, here it is clearly mentions the Indian Embassy, Kathmandu, between 10:30 to 12:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday or not before 20th June. Last date for submission. You have to go to the Indian Embassy on that particular time and you have to submit the applications for this course. You have to physically go there for that. And this is the different other things are also mentioned. Now, what I was talking you, which all colleges are there where this type of seats are there for the students of Nepal. You can see GMC, Chhattisgarh is there, MGM Medical College, Indore. They also have Government Medical College, Chhattisgarh, BJ Medical College, Pune, JLN Medical College, Rajasthan. This is the list of colleges. Government Medical College, Nagpur, LLM Medical College, Meerut. They also have the seat. BRD Medical College, Gorakhpur, MLB Medical College, Jhansi, MLM Medical College, Prayagraj, which is Motilal Nehru Medical College, North Bengal Medical College, Darjeeling in West Bengal. This is, see, in Chhattisgarh, another college it is there. In Kerala, also one college, Government Medical College, Trichur. They have SMS Medical College, Jaipur is also having. Netaji Subhas Medical College, Jabalpur, Samsung Medical College, MP. Maharashtra also colleges are there. Rajasthan also many colleges are there. King George Medical College is having the seat. Okay, King George is a very premium college. They also have the seat. Lady Hardinge Medical College in New Delhi, they also have the seats for that. See, this is the list of the college. And in Government Dental College, Nagpur, they also have the seat. Dr. Harbans Singh Judge Institute of Dental Science, Chandigarh, they also have the seat. And there are different other colleges also have the seats for there. Now, if I give you the idea, last year what was the allotment of different students. See, in this Suman Chaudhary, this student has got allotment in KGM. See, every college only one seats are there for the students. Okay, so this student 533 marks in NEET, he got the KGMU. Now BJ Medical College 557, SNNC Agra, they got 490. Okay, this is, so generally below 490 or below 500, none of the students got the government college in India who are Indian citizen. But you can see from the Nepal, many students, even MLM Medical College, Motilal Nehru Medical College, 431 has got the government college under this scheme. Okay, so till 410 score student has got government college in India under this self-finance scheme of Government of India External Affairs Department, which the student of Nepal can apply through Indian Embassy in Nepal. This is a very good opportunity for the student who are watching this video from Nepal, and if you are very interested to do your studies in India because of the good infrastructure. Like you can see, in 533 score, student has got KGMC Lucknow. Cannot expect, even a student of India cannot expect this college in this score. BJ Medical College Pune they have got, and different other premium colleges the student has got. PGI Rohtak has got 412. Okay, so many good colleges student has got. So if you are also having interest of doing MBBS in India, you can also try in this way. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of this video. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, if you are watching this video from Nepal, you can subscribe this channel. In our channel, this is medical and dental I have given you, but don't forget, even if you are looking for engineering also, you can do engineering in India through this scheme. Thank you so much.